Understanding the phrase, tense atmosphere. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase you might have heard or read somewhere and wondered about its exact meaning. We're talking about tense atmosphere. Stay with us as we break down this phrase, providing examples and insights to help you understand and use it confidently in your conversations and writing. The phrase, tense atmosphere, refers to a situation or environment that feels charged with anxiety, stress, or anticipation. It's often used to describe settings where individuals feel uneasy or on edge, perhaps due to conflict, uncertainty, or high stakes. A key aspect of a tense atmosphere is that it is palpable. It's something you can almost feel in the air, affecting everyone present. To better grasp the concept, let's explore a few scenarios where the phrase might be applied. During a difficult conversation where important issues are being discussed, and disagreements are likely. In a competitive environment, such as before a sports match or an examination, where participants feel the pressure to perform well. In a suspenseful moment in movies or books, where characters and the audience are awaiting a significant revelation or outcome. These examples highlight how a tense atmosphere can arise in various contexts, impacting the mood and behavior of those involved. Now that you understand what tense atmosphere means, let's put it into practice. Here are a few sentences to show how it can be used effectively. There was a tense atmosphere in the meeting room as the team awaited the decision on the project's future. The tense atmosphere of the courtroom was palpable as the jury returned with the verdict. As the storm approached, a tense atmosphere enveloped the town, with everyone bracing for the worst. Notice how the phrase helps convey not just the setting but also the collective emotional state of the people involved. Understanding phrases like tense atmosphere enriches your English vocabulary and helps you better express complex emotional states and settings. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing phrase and that you feel more comfortable using it in your own communication. Remember, practice is key to mastering any new language element, so don't hesitate to incorporate tense atmosphere into your conversations and writing. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.